We're going to attend my mother's birthday party. Hi to Theo. Yeah. Ma, happy birthday.
Somewhere on the sea, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel it.
Yes? Theo's my nephew. So, let's go.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Hello guys. Sana maliwanag, no? So, good morning, everybody. My name is Kian. Today, we're going to Batangas. Eh, syempre kasama ka. Alam mo bakit? Lakas ka. Lakas ka. Ikaw yan. Tara na. Hinihintay na natin sa baba. Let's go. Medyo makulimlim ngayon. Since hindi pa tayo makakadagat, since wala rin namang araw, medyo mukhang uulan, workout na lang tayo. So, mga 3 oras din yung biniyahe namin. Medyo, may mga stopover kasi, kaya medyo natagalan tayo. So, we're here till Sunday. Enjoy na natin. Been eating a lot, and drinking a lot lately, kaya kailangan nating i-balance ang life. Maglakad na lang tayo para makaburn tayo ng extra calories. What's up? Gutom na ako. Sobrang gutom na ako. Hindi na kasi tayo kumain. Nag-fasting tayo, tapos nag-workout. Kaya medyo gutom na tayo. So, kain muna tayo. And then after natin kumain, maglakad-lakad tayo sa beach mamaya. And hopefully bukas, may araw na para mas ma-appreciate natin yung dagat. No? Okay. Let's go. Nakakain na tayo. Uy, lakad-lakad muna tayo dito sa dagat para mahugog yung kinain natin. It's been a really good day. The past few weeks parang medyo busy, stress, my birthday party. It's nice to get out of the city for a change. Kahit mabilis lang. Alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Medyo may araw na onte, sumisilip. Pero hindi pa rin tayo pwede mag-beach kasi malakas yung alon. May riptide. Riptide ba? Red tide yung Tahong. Workout na lang ulit tayo. Let's go, babe. Okay, so gutom na naman ako. Nagpa-fasting kasi tayo. Kasi nga diba, puro kain tayo lately. At alcohol. Kaya detox muna, pahingayin muna natin yung liver natin. We're drinking a lot of water and doing a lot of activities. Sweat it all out, all the toxins. So, mga alas 4 na tayo kakain. And then, we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen today. Ready? Hey. Lumabas na yung araw, so dito lang tayo sa dagat. Baka medlip lang tayo saglit. Okay. Magandang umaga. Today we are leaving Pico del Oro. Uwi na tayo sa Manila. But before that, we're gonna make a stop at San Nicolas, Batangas at my mother's town. Ang bagong bukas na events place doon. We're all showered and ready to go. Bili muna lang tayo ng kape. And then we're good to go. Okay. See ya. Na ba? It's almost 1 p.m. Gutom na naman ako. So after this, ihahatid na natin sila Tita Glo at Tito Gan sa saan nga ba? Sa Quezon City. Then after that, uwi na tayo. Because tomorrow is Monday. Another chance for us to redeem ourselves. Whatever. It's Monday, so responsibilities. Shall we? We shall. We. Hello guys. Good evening. It is 8:15 at the moment. Ito may hawak na akong mikropono. So you guys can finally hear what I'm saying. Kararating lang natin. And marami tayong pinuntahan ngayong araw na to. Kaya medyo ang sakit ng katawan natin. Pero no complaints. I'm not complaining. Parang feeling ko all my senses are full. Like I said, it was such a nice break from our day-to-day life. It's nice to spend time with your family. Just see nature for a change. Because all we see is traffic and stress and, just everyday mundane stuff. And it's nice to leave the city for a moment, just for a moment, and, recharge. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you guys next week for another... so far, ginagawa natin weekend in the life. But, I don't know. Shall we make it a day in the life? We'll see. Medyo nasasanay na ako talking in public. Parang minsan kasi nakakailang pag hawak mo yung camera. And then, everyone thinks you're just talking to yourself. Which I do a lot. There you go. Let me know if you guys like what you see and hear. Once again, my name is Kian Andeza. I'll see you guys next week.